This is exotic Dit-Dots, and I'm showing you a film of Little Miss Jalapeño. She's grown a little bit since her last movie, so we thought we'd make a new one for her. She's very playful, energetic, healthy. She's eating and drinking well out of a dish. She has a nice wide set face, a very tight, small nose, right up where it should be, big eyes, and the sweetest little disposition. I mean, this is a darling little kitten. She's a long-haired exotic, and she is ready to go to her new home. This is exotic Dit-Dots. Thank you.